Welcome to TVK Career Point. So here we have an opportunity from Morgan Stanley. It is 2025 Technology Spring Analyst Program, Bangalore or Mumbai. So this is a 6 months internship program. They have written clearly here. So we are seeking interns to join our technology division for the spring program. This is 6 months internship program designed as an opportunity to learn more about the important role that the technology plays within the firm, right? So 2025 batch students can apply for this internship program, and so what are the skills are required? They have mentioned here. So interest and aptitude for technology problem solving skills, experience in at least one of the programming language Java, C, C++, and all, strong hold on data structures and OOPs. So the interested students can apply for it and share to your friends also, and like the video for better reach. Thank you all.